episode of Gearheadgirl Garage, where we're going to show you how to properly remove your whole brake system. This is calipers, rotors, everything. And so we're going to get started by jacking up the car with some jack stands. If you are unsure how to do that, please click the link to watch the tutorial video. And we'll go ahead and get started. Alright, now that you've got your car safely jacked up on jack stands, you can use your impact gun to remove all the wheels. Alright, once you've removed all 4 wheels, then you can get to work on the brakes. Alright guys and gals, so we've got our old wheel woods that we're going to be removing. So we're going to remove the caliper first and then the rotor. Got a light up here to help see. And what you need to do this is a 5/8 socket and a 14 millimeter. So go ahead, turn this so you guys can see a little bit better. There's a line right about here that you will need to remove with your 14 mil. And you're probably going to want to have a little catch can as well. Alright, have that catch can ready because the fluid's going to start coming out. I recommend wearing gloves. Alright, so we're just going to let that drip down into your little catch can. And we're going to use our 5/8 to remove the 2 caliper bolts here and here. Right about there. Alright, so this is your line that that's the 14 mil that you're gonna remove right there. So this is removed and dripping, that's what the catch can is for. And then you've got your 5/8 here and here. So go ahead and remove those. So there are those. You can set those aside. Alright, so now that you've removed the line, removed the 2 bolts, the caliper should come off. Like so. And then you have your 6-pot wheel wood that we're replacing. Oh, look at all that pad life. Oh. Sad. Could use that up. Okay, so we'll set that to the side. And now that the calipers are removed, rotor should just come right off. Cool. So then we have a 330 Willwood rotor, specially machined out. Okay, if you are starting from stock, you don't have to worry about this part. If not, and you're actually going from the Willwood kit to the XYZ kit, it is a 10 mil Allen key, and it's these 2 bolts right here. Alright. So that is your Willwood 6-pot mounting bracket. Now go ahead and take out the bolts that came with that. And so these are your original mounting bolts for the caliper. Alright, so if you are not replacing your brake lines, you can go ahead and put on your new rotor and caliper. However, we are actually replacing the entire brake system, so we will be replacing these aftermarket Willwood lines. So to remove this line, we need a 10 and a 12 mil wrench. You have your 12 mil right here for this clip, and then you have your 10 mil nut right here on top. So we'll start with the 12. So there is our 12, so that frees up that bracket there. And now come and do our 10 mil. There we go. line removed. Final step before we start cleaning this all up is there is a 12mm bolt back here. I'll try to get the camera back so you can see that, and it holds on this whole bracketry, so remove that and then we'll be good to go. We are going after this bolt right here with the 12mm. You can see there, that just totally removes out. There's your 12mm bolts. So we can put that out of the way for now. And give it a clean up. Alright guys and gals, so that is how you remove your front caliper and rotor and also start disconnecting those brake lines. If you enjoyed this video, please hit a like and subscribe for more content. And up next, we have rear removal.
Be sure to hit the subscribe button and like and comment if you enjoyed this video. If you want to be awesome and provide support for better content, click on the Patreon link in the description below. Check us out online at Gearheadgirl69.com or GHG69.com, or follow us on Instagram and TikTok at Gearheadgirl69.